Hey, how's it going out there? Thanks for tuning into this video. If you're like me and you love fitness and you love tracking your fitness, you probably have a Fitbit. So you can see I've had a couple. So what I want to let you know is if your Fitbit stopped working after maybe a month or a week or maybe a day, just take all your Fitbits and connect them, and I'm going to show you some really cool stuff you can do. Like, for example, what I have here is my Fitbits, and then what I can do is I can use this as a cool Indiana Jones whip. Awesome. And then if I really want to go out, well, I still have my headset on. What I can do is I can make this into an awesome headset or headband. See? Awesome. You can also use this as a chest band. And then the other thing I thought about was, I could just simply, wrap this around my arm. But the point is, if you spent a lot of money, like for example, bought this at least twice or three times, now you have an awesome multi-purpose device. So I'm hoping this video helped you. Now you may have thought this is clickbait, but it's not. I mean, you clicked on it saying, how can I help you fix your Fitbit? I'm sorry, because that's not possible. I tried fixing this one. If you could see, these things have glue on them. They've been put together. They work for a minute, and then all of a sudden they stop working. So at least you know now I've given you a perfect opportunity to create some awesome stuff. So I hope this was helpful. So remember, if you like this video, click like and subscribe, all right? Cool, man. Thanks.